In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a hyperlink here in Canva. This is otherwise known as a clickable link. Now, this is extremely easy to do. Once you have your text that you want to make clickable, we simply want to click on there. Then we can double click to highlight all of the text. You're then going to get this link icon just here. Then if we click on there, we can then add the link that we want. For this example, let's take my YouTube channel, come over, type that into there, or paste that into there. Then what we're going to do is click done, and now that is a hyperlink and it's clickable. Now there's another way to do this as well, but if you want to delete that hyperlink, we're going to highlight the text again, click on the link, then we can click delete. Now the other way to do this is to click onto your text, come to the three dots, come down to link, click on there, paste in your URL, then click done, and there we go. We now have a clickable link. Now to test it, if you click on your text again, you have this button here which will open it in a new tab, like so, and if we do this in presentation mode or even download it, this link is going to be clickable. So now if we click on there, again, it's going to open into the new tab. So that's how to hyperlink here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.